Question 1. Which country is the birthplace of pizza? France,
Spain,
Italy,
Greece,
correct answer, Italy. Question 2. Which continent is the smallest by land area? Europe, Antarctica, Australia, South America. Correct answer, Australia. Question 3. Who is the first president of the United States? Abraham Lincoln, John Adams, Thomas Jefferson, George Washington. Correct answer, George Washington. Friends, support our channel by subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. It really means a lot to us. Let's keep going. Question 4. What is the capital of Turkey? Istanbul, Ankara, Izmir, Bursa. Correct answer, Ankara. Question 5. How many degrees are in a full circle? 180, 270, 360, 400. Correct answer, 360. Question 6. How many continents are there on Earth?
5,
6, 7.
8,
Correct answer, 7. Question 7. Which country produces the most coffee in the world? Colombia, Brazil, Indonesia,
Vietnam,
Correct answer, Brazil. Question 8. How many years are in a century?
10,
50, 100, 1,000. Correct answer, 100. Question 9. Which planet is the coldest in the solar system?
Mars,
Uranus, Neptune.
Saturn,
Correct answer, Neptune. Question 10. Which sport is known as the king of sports? Football, soccer, basketball, boxing.
hockey,
Correct answer, football, soccer. Question 11. What is the smallest country in the world by area? Monaco, Vatican City, San Marino, Liechtenstein. Correct answer, Vatican City. Question 12. Which chemical element is used in thermometers? Mercury,
lead, copper, zinc,
Correct answer, mercury. Question 13. What currency is used in the United Kingdom? Euro, pound sterling,
dollar, krone,
Correct answer, pound sterling. Question 14. What is the capital of Norway? Bergen, Oslo,
Stockholm, Helsinki,
Correct answer, Oslo. Question 15. How many wisdom teeth can an adult have?
2,
4, 6.
8,
Correct answer, 4. Question 16. Which country is considered the birthplace of the Olympic Games? Italy,
France,
Greece,
Germany,
Correct answer, Greece. Question 17. Which river runs through London?
Thames, Seine, Rhine, Danube.
Correct answer, Thames. Question 18. What is the highest mountain in the world above sea level?
Kilimanjaro,
Elbrus, Everest.
Aconcagua.
Correct answer, Everest. Question 19. Which organ filters blood in the human body?
Heart,
Liver,
kidneys, lungs.
Correct answer, kidneys. Question 20. How many legs does a spider have? 6,
8, 10, 12.
Correct answer, 8.